Chapter 13 Disappearing Woods. Increasing human population leads to pressure on land resources for human needs. This resulted in large-scale deforestation across the world. 1. Let us find out more about the forests that are no more. 1. The dense rainforests of the Amazon basin are being cleared every year to make way for mining, agriculture, and timber harvesting activities. These lungs of the planet are being denuded at the alarming rate of more than 2 lakh acres every day. 2. Green islands of the Philippines are devastated. 90 years ago, the region had an almost 100% rainforest cover. By 1988, this cover had dwindled to just 1/4 at an astounding rate of about 54,700 hectares every year. This happened as logging contracts were given out thoughtlessly and rainforests were converted to pineapples plantations. Number 3. India has done well in its afforestation program, and today about 22% of country's area is covered with forest. However, the northeast region has recorded a continuous decline in forest cover. Since 2009, the region has seen a loss of about 3,199 square kilometers of forest area. This region, incidentally, accounts for nearly 25% of India's forest cover. Number 4. Western Africa has lost 90% of its forest cover in the last 50 years. The main reason for this destruction has been logging for timber, use of firewood as domestic fuel, animal rearing, and clearing land for cultivation of food crops. Green Master. Number 2. Attempt this interesting forest quiz and discover more about forests in the world. 1. Which country in the world has the highest forest cover in terms of its geographical area percentage? Answer: Russia. 2. Which country has the highest deforestation rate in the world? Answer: Nigeria. 3. Which is the oldest forest in the world? Answer: Daintree Rainforest, Australia. 4. Which state in India has the highest forest cover in relation to its geographical area? Answer: Mizoram. 5. Which state in India has the lowest forest cover in relation to its geographical area? Answer: Haryana. Let me answer. State the factors responsible for deforestation. Info bit. Animals are the key to afforestation of denuded forest. A forest can recover to mature tree level in 65 years. Teacher's note. Explain to the students about the afforestation and discuss the steps to plant trees. Activity: Being green. Recycling involves processing used materials into new products to prevent wastage of scarce resources, to reduce pollution, and to create a clean environment. 1. Fill in the following questionnaire to find out whether you are a waster or a recycler. Take your choice. 1. You take a napkin along with a lunchbox. A. You carry a cloth napkin. B. You take a paper napkin. 2. You take a drink to school. A. It is a canned drink that you throw away. B. It is a refill drink in a reusable water bottle. 3. During class, you are writing paragraph. You make a few mistakes. A. You rub the mistakes and rewrite. B. You throw the paper in the bin and write on a new sheet of paper. 4. You take packed lunch to school. A. You eat sandwiches from aluminium foil. B. You eat sandwiches wrapped individually in a newspaper. Let me answer. Can you name any household item which can be reused? Teacher's note. Discuss the benefits of recycling any used material into new products. 2. Encircle the items that can be used again. Recycling facts. 1. 680 pounds of paper each year. 100 million tons of wood could be saved each year if all that paper was recycled. 2. A typical family consumes 182 gallons of soda, 29 gallons of juice, 104 gallons of milk, and 26 gallons of bottled water a year. That's a lot of containers that can all be recycled. 3. Plastic bags and other plastic waste thrown into the ocean kill as many as 1 lakh sea creatures in a year. 4. Recycling 1 ton of paper saves 17 trees, 2 barrels of oil, enough to run an average car for 1260 miles. 4,100 kilowatts of energy, enough power for our average home for 6 months. 3.2 cubic yards of landfill space and 60 pounds of pollution. 5. The 17 trees saved by recycling 1 ton of paper can absorb a total of 250 pounds of carbon dioxide out of air each year. 6. If all of our newspapers were recycled, we could save about 250 million trees each year. 7. Recycling 1 aluminum tin can save enough energy to run a TV for 3 hours. Info bits. 1. Plastics constitute about 10% of discarded waste. They are believed to take around 500 years to decompose. 2. Recycling just 1 plastic bottle saves enough energy to power a 60-watt light bulb for 6 hours.